Hello my loves, my name is Elia Esparza and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. So I'm going to San Diego this weekend and I figured I would start kind of packing and trying on outfits now. I have a couple pieces that are new, some swimsuit things, and I started to try things on and I was like, I might as well vlog this and show you guys because I feel like I always do it and then I think I'm going to show you guys my outfits and then I forget and it's a whole debacle. So I figured we'd have a fun little casual pack with me style with me, some outfits for the summer. If you're going on a summer trip, a lot of these pieces I can link on my LTK or Amazon and you can find them because they are trendy, they are cute. I've honestly been loving so much of the summer trends, like the beadedness and the flowiness and all the fun tings. So before we get started getting into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps my channel so much. And let's get this video started because some of these items you can get your hands on, especially if you're going on a trip super soon and you're like, girl, I didn't prepare. We're going to start off with literally what I'm wearing because I tried it on and I was like, wait, this is actually so cute. Also, don't mind the mess. My room's a little bit messy. I have so much clothing everywhere, as a girly does. But starting off with this outfit, first of all, I love that this bathing suit top is literally like a top. You know what I mean? Like perfect for like the beach, a pool party. Maybe you're going to be on a boat. Like this is it for me because I feel like you could wear this with shorts or you don't have to pair it with this. But I actually do love that it comes with this like matching sheer set skirt thing. Like I don't have anything like this. And I was like, this is so cute. So 4th of July, I will be on a boat. And I think this is going to be the fit for that. It's not giving 4th of July vibes, but I don't really care. I'm going to be on a boat and I'm going to be cute and kind of like in a set. So I'm like dressed, you know what I mean? And just so you guys can see, it does come with a matching bottom. So super cute, but I love this. I mean, this is perfect. Or if you're in like Cancun, Mexico, like you're going to be kind of like walking around, but you want to be in your bikini because you're going to get in the water. Like this is ideal, but I love this swoopy detail. That is it for me. I love. Okay, this is the next set and I love her. First of all, the color is everything. I don't have any bikinis this color, this kind of like turquoise green color. And what's so cute, I feel like I've been seeing a lot of gold pieces, like big metallic gold pieces with different like bathing suits as I've been seeing of people on the gram and on TikTok. And this is stunning. So I actually got 2 sets. And again, I'm so here for these like matching full set outfit vibes because I'm always at the pool or at the beach with some sort of cover up or like a little something. And if you have like a white little top, if you wanted to tie that too and make that a full fit. These have these like circular pieces and then this has this kind of like almost like an oyster shell. I don't really know what to call this, but I also got the matching top and this is a strapless one, perfect for tanning, obviously, because we don't want our tan lines. I always love a triangle top, but I just tried on different things. So this comes like, this has this one, which is perfect. The bottoms that come with this top are a little more cheeky. So if you're not really wanting to like show that much booty, they do have this version as well. Okay, moving on to this little number. So this is not a matching set, but obviously there are no rules. You can do whatever you want. So this skirt, I've seen it all over TikTok shop and I was like, I have to get it. But I didn't realize that it didn't come with the top, which is totally fine. That is totally fine. It's on like Amazon. I've seen it everywhere. And honestly, it is perfect. It's like that swimsuit. So honestly, it is perfect for the pool or the beach because it's like a weird swimsuit material. It's really smooth. Like it's kind of crazy. And then I ordered this top and again, I didn't realize I didn't order the bottom, but that's perfectly fine because I feel like because it's nude, I could literally pair it with a color white anything. But then I put this together and I was like, this is actually really cute. I do like this a lot. Like I could walk around with this, probably even have like a little top, like a tie top in the front and walk around. I don't know exactly what we're doing. I know we're going to be like going to cute coffee shops and going to dinner and then like we're going to go kayaking and like all the things. But even if I just wanted to wear this to the beach, wear my bathing suit underneath, throw this on, because sometimes San Diego specifically gets a little chilly. You know what I mean? It's not as hot as like Mexico or Florida. So I definitely think this is like a cute option and I'm loving this. To you and me, yeah. All right, we're trying on some outfits. I might go back to bathing suits, but right now I was just like, hold on. I need to figure out what I want to wear outfit-wise. If there's one thing about my girlfriends, we are getting dressed up. We're looking cute, even if it's just to go for a 6 o'clock dinner. But I'm here for it. So I recently got this top from Zara, and it's stunning because look at the back. I didn't tie it right, but you could see the back. The back is fantastic and I love it. It's actually longer, but I tucked it in because I just feel like for my proportion size, like it doesn't always, like the long look looks cute, but I just tucked it in so it'd be a little more cropped. I also have this like beaded green skirt that I've had for a couple months that I've been wanting to bust out, baby. And this is the time, but I didn't wear it when I went to Mexico, but I was like, this is the perfect fit. I would wear this here in Nashville, honestly, like to go out. And then of course I need a beaded purse. So my girlfriend Alondra just gave me these literally yesterday. She's so cute. And I was gonna go look for some at Marshall's. They're from Marshall's, TJ Maxx. So cute. I think for maybe this outfit, the pink would look better because I'm also wearing pink shoes. Let me show you the shoes real quick. These are from Zara a couple of years ago, but like I'm obsessed. And actually we went to Zara yesterday and they're having so many sales right now. So I feel like honestly, I like to shop at Zara when things are on sale because usually you get a better deal out of that. But yes, we have the beaded bags. So cute. I'll probably still bring this one because I have a lot of nude, like neutral outfits, but you can't tell me this isn't the cutest thing you've ever seen. Like, she's a girly pop. She's a little colorful. She's ready for a night out. Love. All right. We are moving right along to this little number. This yellow skirt is from Princess Polly and we love her. I have her in white and I haven't worn the yellow one yet because it just hasn't been the right vibe for it. But as we know, butter yellow is the color of the season and I love this. And this is actually a matching top to a bottom. So I just wanted to experiment with the top because I love the shell details. And I just feel like this kind of texture, that shell sequin moment is so perfect right now. And then I just paired it with this beaded purse, which is so cute. So I think I will have to bring both because they're just stunning. And again, they have tons of these like on Amazon and at Marshall's. I'll link a couple that are similar, but this is the ideal vibe. This is a cute little dinner fit. I just paired it with some pink heels. But knowing me, I'm just gonna have to bring like 1 or 2 pairs of heels and then the rest, everything has to go with everything. You know what I mean? But this is cute. We like this. I like her. Okay, wait, I may have spoken too soon. So this is the matching set. And now that I put it on, knowing me, knowing that, I'm going to be with my girls, I may go with this instead of the yellow and maybe wear the yellow for a more casual lunch situation, but this might be like a going out thing. I know we're going out Saturday night for sure, so this could be really cute for that. But I do feel like I need a pop of color. Maybe not this pink purse, but like I feel like with the shoes and the purse, I need to bring in some sort of color because, all white is stunning and we love her, but this set is everything. This set is literally everything. I love this. We love her so much. All right, this is also another option. I'm obsessed with this top. I wore this in Mexico and it's from Pepper Mayo. They have a bunch of different dupes and versions of them, but I love this one and she is stunning. And then I paired it with a shell skirt. And then I was like, wait, this is actually very, very cute and could be a moment. So I'm definitely going to bring both of these pieces just to see, I guess, like in the moment, what I'm feeling. If I want to go an all white moment, if I want the yellow, more casual. But knowing me, I have been feeling a little bit more colorful these days, and this just does it for me. Like the teal, there's something about a teal. And it could definitely go with like a pink purse or the beige one. I'm going to bring the pink purse, a beige one, and maybe just like a day one that's like a little bit bigger. But yeah, these are the vibes, and we're here for them.